Gentlemen, it's almost time. Holiday season is upon us. Almost. And one of the things that I thought I'd do real quick is go over the top 10 stocking stuffers brought to you by Pete and Pedro. Starting with number 1. The Travel Cologne Refillable Sprayer. Gentlemen, every dude needs one of these bad boys. The way that it works, the bottom right, you just pop it on your favorite cologne, pump it a few times, and this little reservoir is going to fill up with your favorite cologne or signature scent. And then all you do, boom, you pop it in your Dopp bag, you throw it in your computer bag. This bad boy is incredible because it allows you to take your cologne with you wherever you go. Speaking of fragrances, number 2 is any of our amazing, incredible EDP fragrances. Whether or not it is Rebel, it is Hero, or it is the newer King, you cannot go wrong because they smell literally amazing. Go read the reviews. Now, if you're like, yo, I'm still on the fence, no problem. Pete and Pedro's got you covered with some incredible deluxe samples so you can try them before you buy them. Third stocking stuffer is something that the well-groomed man is going to love. It's all about the hands, it's all about the feet. All right, this is the Manicure Kit by Pete and Pedro. It comes in this super masculine, high-end carrying case, but inside, that's where the magic happens. You're gonna get all of the tools, all the essentials that the well-groomed man needs to keep his nails looking sharp. You got clippers, you got nippers, you got tweezers, you got scissors, and you've got everything over here in order to make sure that his nails and cuticles are looking fresh. Number 4 is a travel size sea salt spray. This is one of our most popular products, and it's popular for a good reason. It adds texture, it adds life to any hairstyle, all right? It's a pre-styler, so after you shower, towel dry your hair, throw a few sprays of this in your wet or damp hair, and then add your product like normal. Your hair is gonna have volume, texture, and life like never before. Number 5 is a bottle of the Pete and Pedro treat. This stuff is liquid gold. A few drops of this in your hair, right, when it's damp, or after you style it for that matter, your hair is gonna be silky soft, it's gonna be smooth, and it is gonna be hydrated like crazy. Number 6 is mint body wash, or any of our incredible body washes like Desperado Gold. We got a lot of incredible ones, but mint, it is new, it is reformulated, and if you like peppermint, you like a little cooling action, gentlemen, this is absolutely the one to grab. It also makes an incredible stocking stuffer. Number 7 is a shampoo massage brush. This bad boy is like a little treat every time you wash your hair in the shower. The bristles are like super soft and rubbery, and they feel incredible. Getting in there, massaging the scalp, also deep cleansing, eliminating itching and flakes and all sorts of nastiness. Number 8 is the Pete and Pedro Putty. All right, so the reason why I'm recommending this for a stocking stuffer is because this is the most versatile product out there. Regardless of if your guy has like short hair, long hair, medium hair, any hair in between, this stuff is incredible. It's a matte finish, high hold, and everybody who uses this stuff absolutely loves it. If your man has a beard or stash or any type of facial hair, this is also another go-to must-have. It is the Grooming Kit. It comes with a pair of high-quality stainless steel scissors, not to mention a super cute beard and mustache comb. And last but certainly not least, the 10th stocking stuffer that he is absolutely going to love, and he can actually keep all the other ones in, is the Pete and Pedro Dopp Kit. This Dopp Kit is the best Dopp Kit I've ever used, and I've owned a bunch of them. When we decided to develop a Dopp Kit for Pete and Pedro, I wanted a few specific things. I wanted a handle inside, I wanted a mesh pouch. I also wanted a hook, another auxiliary pouch in the front. Guys, this thing is roomy, it's spacious, it doesn't take up too much room, but it definitely is going to hold its shape and not collapse like a cheap Dopp Kit that you're going to find at other places. What, you thought I was going to stop at 10? Gentlemen, bonus number 11 stuffer is honestly my favorite stuffer of all time, my good buddy Pedro. This bad boy is a Pete and Pedro stress ball. You're all stressed, right? Everybody's stressed. I'm like super stressed. I've got 18 of these sitting around my house. Gentlemen, if you are looking to get a little de-stressed and you love Pete and Pedro, this bad boy is a must-have.